There's a fucking animal up there.
Fuck that shit.
Oh hell no, brother.
All I care about is face, teeth, this booty, and your toes.
Open up the door, Logan. Logan, open the door.
Knock it off, you two.
Knock it off. Unlock this fucking door.
Hey.
Don't touch or breathe on the lens, dickhead. Stop! Get the fuck out. Get the fuck off of me.
I can't breathe, you fucking person. Get the
fuck off of me.
I don't trust you around my fucking food.
I don't want that fucking salad.
Of course you don't.
Your dad's in there watching TikTok on his computer.
Probably looking for them big booty bitches.
At the age of 12 years old, I shot police knocked on it.
What the fuck? You got recording this?
I'm gonna take that camera and make it mine.
Give him the
It's
fuck.
not mine.
Give it up. Put the camera down. Logan, I did not give you permission to be recording this.
Get him in the light so you can see the mustache.
And that's... Dude, you just like breathed all over my shit.
Do I look tired?
You look tired of his
Ready to take
bullshit.
somebody's life?
Whoa. Michael's a real vlogger.
Are you videotaping this too? Like a fucking Gordon Ramsay shit going on?
Yeah, me and Logan starting a cooking show. We're getting it aired on Fox. Swear to God.
Which Fox?
Fox.
Megan?
Fox. Yeah, fucking wish.
What are you doing?
How do I crack it? What?
Opening up a hard-boiled egg is so cool.
This is for our fucking cooking show, Logan.
Cooking.
Yes, the one on Fox I told you about.
Megan Fox?
I fucked him.
Direction of it?
I fucked him over in the contract deal.
Oh.
Yeah. Are you hyped for this new cooking show? Cooking with Logan. You ain't gonna do a goddamn thing about it.
Dumbass is
the
in a
camera
frying
down.
pan.
Put the camera down.
Call it that.
A few moments later.
My bro just got back from football practice.
Like I'm busy. Then busy.
I'm nervous. Logan doesn't even know what the hell's about to happen. It did it too soon. Exploded all over the
Dumbass,
goddamn
bro.
microwave. I was gonna take it outside and tell you to take a bite of it. Round two, baby. It exploded in the microwave.
Why'd you put it in the microwave?
It's cold. You don't like that. Put the damn camera away.
I'm gonna show you a trick about using a stove. A flame stove. All the heat's coming up the sides. No.
Oh. What's up, guys? We're about to...
Born in a barn?
We're about to make this egg explode. Christ.
What's all up in your hair, bro?
Literally, dude, fuck off.
Stop! I'm fucking... Stop! Oh, you fucking pussy bitch. God damn. Have fun with the goddamn raccoons and shit now.
Okay, I don't give no fuck. Come
Yes.
on, bro, let's fight. Nah, bro, stop.
Logan,
Bro, let's fight. Actually, dead ass. I actually want to fight you.
what is your...
I'm
I'm not fighting you so bad.
Why?
I'm not scared of someone that's fucking
Alright, then come on.
4'1".
Come on, bro, let's wrestle, bro. Come on.
Why?
I
Why
actually.
you guys want some gay ass shit? Look, get the dumbass away from me. Bro. Fucking idiot. You fucking... I cannot believe we got shit on camera.
Stop recording.
Logan is extremely stressed about this window right now. We're gonna get some good vibes up in here.
You piss me off when you say good vibes, alright? Just saying. Just saying. Fucking God.
Okay, he said we need to get
Close.
Did you hear that? Fuck is that?
I think there's a raccoon.
You were fucking with me.
Bro.
You were fucking with me.
A few moments ago.
God damn, have fun with the goddamn raccoons and shit now.
Okay, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, and it got all quiet when I did that. There's a fucking animal up there.
Fuck that shit.
Oh, hell no, brother.
I think there's a raccoon up there. Bro. What? What do you want?
I'm just fucking recording this for the...
Care about his face, titties, booty, and your toes. Ugly guy can't